Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rusha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle, vlogs, cooking and also gardening videos on my channel. So please subscribe and also hit the like button to this video and also share this video with your friends and leave a comment below. Today is a review video of MAMAEARTH Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. This is a very popular kajal and I really love this kajal, and so I wanted to share a review of this kajal with my subscribers. This is a 0.35 gram of product priced at Rs 299 and has a shelf life of 2 years, which is enough to finish a kajal. So this has vitamin C and chamomile, which are really nice. MAMAEARTH is a brand which has very natural products, we all know that. Claims to give you a 11-hour stay. This is made safe and this is smudge free. This is also plastic positive and also cruelty free and vegan. All these things are very good about MAMAEARTH products. So this is the box it comes in. You slide this open and there's the kajal. Packaging is same like all kajals. This is not the one with a sharpener, you just have to use it like this. So that's the product. One thing I would really love to talk about this is that this is super black. I'll just give you a swatch on my hand. I'm wearing it. So I'll give you a swatch on my hand, and the main thing is that you just slide it once and it gives you the black kajal in one slide and it's awesome. I love the formulation of this kajal, and this is smudge proof. You just rub it and it won't go off, so that's really nice. I have a combination skin type and I sweat a lot, so all kajals I have used many high-end brands of kajals, but all kajals smudge after some time after I sweat, and so that's really off for me. But this kajal from MAMAEARTH did not smudge at all, which is really awesome. I mean, I thought that all kajal on my eyes they will smudge, but this MAMAEARTH kajal did not. I have sensitive eyes too. All brands of kajals do not suit me. I have irritation in my eyes if I use any other brand or anything like that. But after I used this MAMAEARTH kajal, I did not have any irritation on my eyes, which is really awesome. So that is the reason I can use it with no worries. So that's really nice about it. All the kajals which I have used, after a couple of hours, after I sweat, after I go out, they just give that smudged Monjulika look to me. But that did not happen with this MAMAEARTH kajals. If you are planning to buy a good kajal, this is a bit of expensive. I think $2.99 is a bit expensive, but this is worth it. You just give one go and that is going to be staying on for really 12 hours. It does what it claims, I think so. A paisa vasool product, you do not have to apply your kajal 100 times. You can buy this. That was my review about the MAMAEARTH smudge free kajal. This is the charcoal black with vitamin C and chamomile extract. This does not have any toxins, that is written on the product too. So they have another variety of kajal, I think, which comes with that sharpener and you need to sharpen that out. But I do not like that sharpened kajals much, so I bought this and I'm using this for quite some time. If you're planning to buy it, you can go with it. That was my review. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.